From sole proprietorship to large multinational companies, all the businesses have to take the concept of depreciation into account while carrying out their regular commercial ventures. Its principle apply to accounting, auditing, costing, taxation, etc. Before we go into its nuances, it is pertinent to understand the basic meaning of depreciation. So friends, I am Dr. Sonal Chandak, Professor, Department of Commerce, Srimati Keshavai Lahoti Mahavidyalaya, Amravati. In this presentation, we are going to speak on the basics of depreciation, right from its origination to its definition. Friends, the depreciation is from the Latin term depreciare, which means to lower in price, with the roots DED, that means down or low, and precium means price. If something goes down in value or price, then it is amounting to the decrease, and it is also known as depreciation. Friends, depreciation is an expense. It is a cost allocated to the fixed asset during a period. Many people think this is a way to expense assets over time, but it's not really true. It is recorded as an expense on the income statement, but it is not an expense of the asset. Instead, it is allocating the cost of the asset over its useful life. Friends, depreciation is an accounting expense that recognizes the cost of an asset over its useful life. As we have rightly discussed, the monetary value of the tangible asset tend to reduce gradually over the time due to factors like wear and tear. The meaning of depreciation in very simple words, friends, is the rate at which the value drops. Hence, it compares an asset's current value with its original value at the time of the acquisition or purchase. The most important here to be noted, friends, is that the fixed assets are capitalized when they are purchased. We know it very well that it is a capital expenditure. No expenses hit the income statement during the purchase. An asset account is debited and cash or payables account is credited. This capitalization concept is based on the matching principle, which states that we need to match the expenses with the revenues in order to know what is the profit out of it or gain out of it. And this is how we are in a position to identify how our expenses are in a position to generate the income. If we expense capital asset, we would be recording all the expenses for an asset that will last for 5+ years in a year of purchase. This doesn't match the revenues or expenses, friends. Therefore, we use depreciation as an important way to fix this problem. It takes depreciable cost of an asset and allocates it over its useful life. This way, the expense actually reflects the income produced from the asset in that particular period. This is what the matching principle of accounting says. Thus, friends, I'm sure you must have understood what is meant by depreciation, from where the word depreciation has been originated, and what is the exact reason as to the depreciation is provided instead of the total cost of that particular asset is incurred in the income statement. Thank you so much.